That shows science is super cool, and we're going to be dealing with a lot of it today as snow continues to move across the region. Also talking about these very chilly temperatures out there. Our weather watchers have been checking in bright and early with us this morning with some very cold numbers. A lot of weather watchers checking in with temps in the teens. Take a look at this. John in Pennsylvania says it's 16 in his backyard. Ed in Chesterfield, New Jersey, right around 14 degrees. We have Jenny in Cherry Hill at 18. Phil in Philadelphia also at 18. Lou in Eagleville, Pennsylvania says it's 18 degrees as well in his backyard. Kenneth in Willingboro right around 12. We have 13 for John in Tabernacle. Lynn in Cherry Hill at 18. And then Bill in Pennsylvania also says it's right around 16 degrees in his backyard. Let me take you now to a live look at our neighborhood network there in Boardwalk Plaza in Rehoboth. I actually saw someone out here walking the boards earlier tonight, or earlier this morning, I should say. You can see the snow is falling. We have a fresh coating of that white powdery stuff on the boards in Rehoboth. Here's a look at Storm Scan 3. We're dealing with a very quick system. I mean, it's going to be in and out of here in no time. It's already starting to push east, making its way into the Delaware Valley. We're getting reports of snowfall into Philadelphia now. Also dealing with snow across portions of Delaware, now moving into South Jersey. And this is going to continue into the morning hours and also into the latter part of the afternoon. We have winter weather advisories for that reason in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. So that includes all of these areas here in the purple: Philadelphia, Delaware County, as well as portions of Montgomery County and then Chester County into South Jersey. This is until 6 o'clock this evening. Here's how things play out on our future weather. That snow continues to push on in as we head into the rest of the morning. We'll see kind of a veil of snow over the Delaware Valley later on, and then we'll start to see things tapering off, but not until later on this afternoon. It's going to taper off in the form of some snow showers, and then some lingering flurries will be possible even as we head into the evening hours tonight before we completely clear out later tonight, and then we turn blustery and cold just in time for New Year's Eve. So here's what you can expect with this quick moving clipper system. Some steady morning light snow that'll taper off later on this afternoon. We could have a spotty snow shower later on this evening, or even possibly a flurry, and then accumulations anywhere of 1 to 3 inches can be expected. I think right in Philadelphia we have a better chance for about a coating to 2 inches, but some spots could certainly see locally up to 3. Future snow mounts, this is just one particular model, but certainly in line with my thinking. In Philadelphia, again, anywhere from a coating to 2 inches, that is your best bet. And all of our other models are certainly in line with that way of thinking as well. The most robust of these models, the NAM, the North American model, just under 2 inches there. So it's just enough though to cause some extremely slick road conditions, and every single flake that falls, it's going to stick to the road surface because temperatures are this cold. 20 degrees in Philadelphia, 19 in Wilmington, 18 in Millville, 18 in Atlantic City. It is right around 21 degrees down the shore in Wildwood. It feels even colder in some spots when you factor in the wind. There's not a whole lot of it, but just enough to make it feel like the single digits in Philadelphia. Certainly feeling and looking like winter at this point in time. We'll make it to a high temperature today around 27 with that light snow, and it's going to be just a downright very cold day. As we head into tomorrow, a lot of you probably attending the Birds game. Keep in mind, it's going to be cold with single-digit wind chills pretty much the entire game. Forget about the actual air temperature because it's just going to feel so much colder, and that's going to be the case as we head into New Year's Eve. The stroke of midnight, I should say, 12 degrees, but wind chills will actually be below 0, maybe even as cold as 5 below 0, and it's not going to feel much better for the Mummers Day parade as well. The coldest parade in 100 years, 16 degrees as we head into the noon hour. I mean, it's just going to be so cold. 26 degrees by Tuesday, cold and breezy, not as harsh by Wednesday. We actually make it into the 30s. I can't believe I'm looking forward to that, but I am. 28 on Thursday, and then back down to 23 as we head into next Friday.